4, 3, 2, 1, and 0!
We are the President for the Republic of Ghana, the President of the land, the oral President, His Excellency, John Mahama. Oshe Bobby during campaign time in 2024. Nana Ghana for Kenya, Boshe no na ememuda. But 2025, Enra, His Excellency, Edward Sie, Ayoyo. Free sanitary pad to girls in school. Mahama Esha Humbona. Enra no. Upon to my Ama ateki effect. Now in this video, no. You didn't come after home. I have Penyah block media. Let's say any demo. Over like if you are that one, or subscribe button, and somebody click the notification icon for latest updates. Now back to the work and their mamma ever comments as she mess around so baswa. Now she will money as well any be ashe. It's back at 24 about to a mono. And this omu campaign policies, they're not any more be na the womo. What I say 24-hour economy eshimu free tertiary to level 100 students eshimu. There's the own problem will be so free ice cream to university students on every Friday eshimu. And mukanya free sanitary pad for girls in school.
We provide female students who are of age in JHS and SHS with sanitary towels so that they are not missing school because they are in their menstrual period. So free sanitary pads for female students in JHS and SHS. We also have a program for free primary health care, and the free primary health care includes CHIPS compounds, clinics, health centers, and polyclinics. And so for any Ghanaian who goes to any of these levels for health care, you won't have to pay anything, whether you have a national health insurance card or you don't have. So you need your national health insurance card for the secondary and tertiary levels of the health system. So for district hospitals and teaching hospitals and others, you need to use your Ghana health card. But all the local, lower rural health facilities, CHIPS compounds and others, we won't bother to ask you for your health card. As long as you're Ghanaian, you can access free health care there.
Free sanitary pad for girls in school. I say a money be one more. Almost me so especially more JHS no, any SS no. Almost me so. Yeah, you be top pad. And sometimes a home by a day more. It will be quite me soon to my go near the other and more or more hygiene as a man or my own see and so any it will have my transit university there. Then me buy me move. Me join my home. Me do my do. It a man crown muku school in from primary to SHS. My man no muku school because when you do tertiary you are matured enough to say until also part best and but they just need be can be say their neighbor make question can you on so and what's me as soon and I want to be fee. A general Mahama transit was okay. Me fan come policies when I mean present my Ghana for. It's Ghana for general also added to Aba. It's a toba we no 2005 as Mahama national kunyaso as ND budget now a course on we had in the budget say the government has allocated 300 million Ghana cedis for the implementation of the free sanitary pad policy or the free sanitary pad program. It doesn't like any year trying to work in here once about budget in there. Yeah, try at a cry by so. It's Enra and His Excellency the President of the land, John Mahama. Or see a dear yo or copy mu ewa akram patem ho baby. Na ehono ana policy. There's a board of command in 2024 election. Free sanitary pad to girls in school. Mahama, Eko Pa Hontuma.
Mahama and Her Excellency Vice President Nana J. Opoku Ajiman. 24-hour economy ra. My dear girls, our education is no more at stake. No more absenteeism. No more societal stigma. End of period poverty. Beginning of period positivity. Your Excellency, Ayako, you are the best. Every girl deserves safe period. And the dignity that comes with it. A lot. It is the best. Your Excellency John Mahama and Her Excellency Vice President Nana J. Opoku Ajiman. Ghanaians really appreciate your effort. Thank you for caring. are the best you could have hoped for. Your Excellency, we now invite you to come and deliver your keynote address.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we welcome His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Mr. John Mahama. And on that note, we also say a very big thank you to our friends from the Adult Technical and from DA Basic School. Shall we do a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0! We're very grateful to you, Your Excellency. We're grateful to you, Your Royal Majesty King Taki Taiko through the second. His Excellency takes his seat. To you.
What will you use your bag for? What will you use the bag for?
Please, I'll give it to my sister.
What will you use your bag for? What will you use your bag?
I'll give it to my mother.
How about you?
I'll give it to my sister. I'll go use to play ball.
I'll give it to my
sister.
Are you happy about it?
Yes, please.
What makes you happy about it?
I'm happy because I will no longer need to buy sanitary pad in my next month. So thank you very much, Mr. President.
Hello, are you happy about it? Why are you happy?
Because they're educating us, they're talking about they're sharing pads to us.
Why are you happy about getting the pad?
Because finally women don't have to be shy about getting their periods. I'm going to sell it.
Why will you sell it? Why will you sell the pad?
Money.
You need money? At your age, what do you need money for?
Oh, say, you see this.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Excellency.
Stop harassing. It's okay.
You are my favorite bodyguard. You are my favorite bodyguard. Okay. Thank you.
But I say, I see this will be called GHS primary SSI. Mahama be started because production air cost. Amount a day and a chart to production ever continue very soon. All the schools in Ghana here and there. And maybe I don't know, they have a supply more sanitary pad any other day. Now this particular way, a whole lot of conversation and a call to social media monitoring. So me myself, I have a lot to say, but I'll suspend it. I will keep it to myself. Tirawaje mama, I will comment as you, my listener, and my viewer. What is your take on this? What is your view on this? Tirawaje mama, I will comment. Do you think it makes sense? Say we provided sanitary pad to guests in school, and now say we believe say economy no good there. When the economy is good, people can buy sanitary pad for themselves. For sure, sanitary pad it costs as low as 7 cedis up to 20 cedis. But what is your view on that? Tirawaje mama, I will comment section. I have Penyah Block Media.